Yo YouTube, what's going on, man? It's your boy Marcel. In today's video, we're doing a wash and style video. The products I'm going to be using are this original shampoo that I always use, and hold on, my hard and medium soft brush. If you want any of these brushes, the link is in the description below. Alright man, in the next clip, I'm going to have my hair wet. Let's get it. After you wet your hair, you want to apply the shampoo. Let's get it, bro. Let's apply this shampoo real quick. Hold on. You don't gotta add too much. You add like this much to it. Just scramble that bad boy up in here. And if you're a beginner, you don't want to really scramble wash. You want to you probably could scramble wash one time and that's it. But you don't want to keep doing it. Really trying to get that session in. Just go down like that. It's just really to scrub it and get it clean first before you hit it with the brushes. I haven't uploaded a video for like 7 days. Really was just taking a break, getting my new list ready. I still got some old videos I gotta drop, but so far I think I've been doing pretty good on the YouTube. I came from having, how many subscribers did I have at first? I had like, what, 20 subscribers. Now my subscribers are at like 50, I think 58 subscribers. I'm almost close to 100. So, hey man, I'm still putting in work in. I want to get 200 or more subscribers. I'll try to do it before January, but shit, that shit ain't gonna happen. So I'm just gonna keep working harder and try to get 1,000 subscribers before the summertime, goddamn. So, but yeah, man. So this is what you want to do. You want to get that, what you call, wash it. You know, put that junk in your hair. Get this and just start scrambling. And you can just play around with it. You can just, cause your hair is really wet, so you can just brush it down. You go like this. Alright man, the next clip, I'm gonna have my brush and I'm gonna be actually brushing it down. I'm gonna start off with the hard brush to lay everything down. Alright man, let's get it. Alright man, y'all see I added the shampoo. Now what you're gonna do is get your hard brush, scramble in there a little bit more. Hold on. So you can get your hard brush. Hold on, I got it right here. So you get your hard brush in your mirror. Just start going away. You want to make sure it's laid all the way down before you move on to the next step. So I'll just show y'all this side, and then I'm going to speed it up for y'all. So it's really easy, so you just start in the back like this, side like this side right here, the next angle. Go to the top like this. And then come right around with the crown. Alright man, I'm gonna speed it up for y'all. Let's get it. quick and fast. Whew, hold on. So the next brush you want to get to is going to be your medium brush. So in the next clip, I will have a medium brush. Let's go. All right, man, you're gonna get your medium brush, bro. After you laid it down, see, I laid it down a little bit. Crown looking pretty rough though. Hold on. A little bit, yeah, just a little bit. But then you wanna get your medium brush. You wanna wet it though. Make sure your medium brush ain't dry. It's gonna dry out your hair. Then you just do the same thing. Just brush it down. After you use your medium brush, you could use a soft brush to really lay it down, but it's not really necessary. So you just want to go around like this, like so. It's probably gonna be a real quick and easy video. Then you reverse it like this. All the way down. Alright, so the same thing, go from the back, sides. Hey man, we almost at 100 subscribers. Shit, we getting there though. Sides like this. Then you get the top the same way. After you get to the top, you want to reverse it like so. Alright man, that's it. And I'm gonna speed it up on this side. Let me just. So next I'm gonna go ahead and add some more shampoo in it, and goddamn, put my do-rag on, but hold on, let me show y'all. So you can brush your fronts down as well like this too. Hold on. And the back. So yeah, this is the video though, but after you do this, you want to go ahead and add one more dose of shampoo in your hair. Hold on, let me show y'all what I'm using. This shampoo in your hair. Add some more water. You can brush it again if you want to. It's really up to you. After that, put your do-rag on and rinse it out, then you're done. All right, man, that's the end of the video. If you want any of the products I'm using, the link is in the description below. Hey, man, I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.